Mount 4 small protective spacers to each of the roll bars in the areas shown here. Mount one large spacer on each of these trim panels directly in the center and on the edge of the panel. Center the restrictor and lay against the roll bars as shown here. Loosely mount the left and right steel brackets to the product. These screws will be inserted from the front of the roll bar. Using a Phillips head driver, remove the 3 screws that are at the back of the undercarriage as shown here. Now we're going to show you the best place to route the wire coming off of the restrictor so that it is not exposed and so that you can get it to the power source of your choice. Remove this screw here with a T40 Torx wrench. Once the screw is removed, you should be able to gently separate the panel just enough so that you can feed the wire down through the housing cover. Since your brackets are installed loosely, you should be able to pull the restrictor up just a bit if needed. Okay, at this point you're going to pull down on the undercarriage so that you can reach in and grab the wire that you just fed through the panel. May be kind of tricky to get the panel loose from around the tail lights. You may have to push in a bit. Reach in and pull the wire to take the slack out of it. Be careful not to pull too hard so that you don't damage the lighting system. Now you can reinstall the screw. Okay, at this point we're going to get power to the product. If you purchased any accessories, you may want to refer to those individual instructions that came in the box with those accessories at this time. If you purchase the 12-volt plug, aka the cigarette lighter plug, obviously you will not need to go through these steps. This is for hard wiring. Route the wire away from the wheel strut and over to the harness that runs along the passenger side of the frame. Using the wire clamps provided in the box, take the positive wire coming off the restrictor and connect it to the green wire with pink tracer in this harness. Then you'll take the negative wire coming off the restrictor and connect it to the black wire in this harness. If you purchased any of our remote control accessories, we recommend placing the small box in your seat back compartment. In the top back side of that passenger compartment, there's a small hole where you can feed the wire through into the rear housing. While there may be various other methods to route the wire and to pick up power, we've given you the most simple in our opinion. Reinstall the screws on the undercarriage and now you're finished with the project.